My name is Oliver Stauffer, CEO of PTI Inspection Systems and co-chair of the SCOPE Supply Chain, Operations, and Packaging Excellence track for ISPE's Annual Meeting Virtual Conference. We look forward to your attendance. In a year where speed is a primary component of the pharmaceutical industry's mission, the SCOPE track aims to deliver in-depth discussions on meeting patient needs. Never before have we had topics related to SCOPE become so critical and relevant as today. This year's SCOPE track has a strong focus to further improving the industry's ability to develop, scale up, and distribute critical medicines. Speed is of the essence, and the SCOPE track is bringing forth the critical conversations for our success. Managing Director of Romelog, Stephen Schwinn, will discuss vaccines in the blow-fill-seal packaging presentation, a very important topic to get vaccines to the marketplace. Melissa Figgins will lead an excellent session on drug shortages that will include a representative from the FDA. Colleen O'Brien will lead a session on container closure integrity for gene therapy products. These are all critical discussions on our mission to a healthier global community. We look forward to you joining us at ISPE's Annual Meeting Virtual Conference.